So this is the restriction area where they are working on. Kazi inaendelea vizuri sana hapa. Pila to start. So guys, today I'm in the newly constructed flyover here in the area of Bombolulu workshop, and on my previous videos I told you that there will be a flyover that will be constructed in this road, which is the Mombasa-Malindi Road. As you can see here, work has commenced and it is going on very high speed. So today I want to show you guys, because I have seen that they are working on the pillars and making some foundation for the pillars for the flyover to be constructed. And today I want to show you guys what is happening here, so that you can able to know what's going on. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so they're working on the pillars. So that's the big one of the biggest pillar here. As you can see, we have some welders that are putting the foundation, some concrete, some steel for the hardenship of the pillar. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Wow. So work is going on up here very well. You can see here men are at work. Kazi inaendelea vizuri sana hapa. And just know that this place will be having a flyover in this area of Bombolulu workshop. Mambo, kwa salama? Hapa naona mkiwekewa flyover sama mambo atakuwa paka huko kisimani. Watu bodaboda watakuwa wapati shida sasa tena. And you can see we have big cranes here for lifting the heavy steel for this project to continue. You can see men are at work here. Viable. Yeah. Wow. This is nice. You can see there's a Chinese that is supervising what is happening in this section. And the pillar is very deep, guys. You can see they are putting on the iron sheet and welding all the steel for the foundation of this pillar. So there's a Chinese guy who is supervising everything. As you know that these contracts, most of them, they are given to the Chinese. So you can see the Chinese guy doing all the supervision of the welding of this pillar right here. Okay, so work is going on here very well, and that's very nice. Okay. Wana wa Chinese wakomboka. Wakomboka mbaya sana, wako ground mbaya sana. Lakini nini inaenda mbio vizuri? Inaenda mbio, wameipeleka. Kuchimba jua hii foundation si mchezo. So that's the steps that is going on in this area of Bombolulu workshop. Here men are at work like crazy, yeah? Working here day and night. I was here yesterday, I passed through here yesterday, and I saw that they were starting the foundation of the pillars. So I decided to come here today so that I can able to see what's going on in this section of Bombolulu. So remember that this project, it is continuing from the other side of Mtwapa going on until the area of lights. Yeah, so this is the Mombasa-Malindi Road. Yeah, so they're working on the first pillar. Then they'll come to this second pillar right here. You can see they have already dug the pillar and the concrete is on already. You can see the concrete is on already for the pillar to start being constructed, putting the steel and everything. So they are working on the first pillar, then they'll come to this second pillar right here. Yeah, so work is going on here very, very well. Yeah. So this is a small section here in this area of Bombolulu, but it has a lot of meaning to the people of Bombolulu. I know that we have like 3 or 4 flyovers in this Mombasa-Malindi Road. So this is another one that has been added. so that this flyover can be completed here, and we have easy way to control the traffic here in this area of Bombolulu, because most of the time it is always very chaotic around here. Yeah, that's crazy. So let me show you what's going on here. You can see. Wow. So that's another digging. You can see. Wow. So I know this flyover will be having 3 pillars, because I've seen 3 big holes, foundation for the pillars. So this is the 3rd one. Okay. So they are digging this one to put the 3rd pillar around this area of Bombolulu. It's nice. Okay. Yeah, so this will be the 3rd pillar. So you can see this other section is for the cars. Yeah. So this section here is for the cars. This road is for the cars. That's heading to Mtwapa, and this going to town. Eh? So this is the restriction area where they are working on. So that's the update of what is happening in this section of Bombolulu. Work is going on here very well, and people are working here like crazy. Mambo vipi? Uko katika hii construction ama uko kwingine?
Mimi nipo kwa hiyo hardware.
Uko kwa ile hardware? Nilikuwa nadhani uko hapa ndani. Sawa. So guys, yeah, that's the current situation of what is happening in this road. You can see that's the 2nd pillar, guys. So the 3rd pillar over there, they are digging right now. So this is the 2nd pillar, which I think they have already placed the concrete. As you can see, the concrete is on, the foundation is on, and what they're remaining is just putting the steel and raise the foundation up for the pillar to start raising up. The other one on the other side, they are working on it, and everything is commencing very well. And I think this project, this is one of the projects that I'm seeing that it is going very fast than the other ones that I've been working on or I've been doing video of. This is the one that I'm seeing it is going very fast, and I can't wait for it to be completed. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. So that's it. So they are working on making sure that all the foundation are very well, and everything is going on well here in this area of Bombolulu. So cranes are here to lift up the heavy materials so that they can continue working on this pillar here. So this is the 1st pillar which they are working on, so that they can raise it, then go to the other 3 pillars. Yeah. So this is the update of what is going on in this area of Bombolulu. Wow. Okay, so guys, that's the current situation of what is happening and the current updates of what is happening in this area of Bombolulu. So much is happening here, and yeah, I think they are going on very well, and everything is in order, and everything is maybe in schedule, as we know that. But I think in few months and maybe few years, everything here will be visible to everyone, and it will make easy for the control of traffic of this road here, the Mombasa-Malindi Road. The expansion is going on. We have seen houses being demolished in this area of Bombolulu, and right now expansion of the road is going on very, very well. So I can't wait to see this flyover come to be visible to the people of Bombolulu and use it to the fullest. Yeah, so that's the current situation, guys. Wow, nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment, and right now you know what is happening in this area of Bombolulu. For those people who wanted the update of what is happening in this area of Bombolulu, that's what is happening. And you can see all of these are temporary roads. These are for the motorcycles. You can see motorcycles passing through here, and we have the other road on the other side where cars are using to go to the other side, because this section of the road they are constructing the flyover. So they have divided this section for the motorcycles and the other ones are for the cars. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.